You are going to learn the 3 letters Ya, Yu, Yo in this lesson. The letter's consonant is Y sound, and you add the 3 vowels A, U, O after Y. So it's gonna be Ya, Yu, Yo. And why we don't have 5 letters anymore, but just 3 letters? Because historically we used to have Ya, I, Yu, E, Yo. However, we use A, I, U, E, O as a vowels, so we don't use I and E anymore. So now we use only 3 letters, Ya, Yu, Yo. Okay, let's write. The first letter is Ya. 1, 2, then 3. Ya, Ya. Second one is Yu. 1 and then 2. Yu, Yu. You might see the letter like this in writing or typing, but this is also Yu, same sound. The next one is Yo. 1, 2. Yo, Yo. Now let's review. What is this? Yo. What is this? Ya. What is this? Yu. Well done! So you've learned the 3 letters Ya, Yu, Yo in this lesson. Next will be La, Ri, Ru, Re, Do. See you in the next lesson.